Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are a returning viewer, welcome. If you're new to the channel, welcome as well and consider subscribing. Today we're featuring Andrew Holness, Jamaica's current Prime Minister. As Jamaica's current Prime Minister, Andrew Holness has already made history by becoming the youngest person to hold office at just 39 years old. Now he's poised to potentially become the country's Prime Minister once again. Holness has been leading the country since 2016, with a brief stint as Prime Minister from 2011 to 2012. During his tenure, he's focused on sustainable economic growth, job creation, and building out Jamaica's housing sector. His government has also prioritized digital transformation, aiming to make Jamaica the first digital society in the Caribbean. Some of Holness' notable policy initiatives include education reform. He's introduced programs like the Career Advancement Program CAP and established institutions such as the Jamaica Teaching Council and the National Education Trust. Economic growth. Holness has implemented measures to stimulate economic growth, including investments in infrastructure and tourism. Crime reduction. He's taken a strong stance against crime, implementing initiatives to improve public safety and security. Holness is known for his compassionate and inclusive approach to governance. He's pledged to build partnerships with the private sector, civil society, and international partners to achieve shared prosperity for all Jamaicans. As the country looks to the future, Andrew Holness' experience, vision, and commitment to Jamaica's development make him a strong contender for another term as Prime Minister.